In this video I'm going to show you how to create group chat on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and there hit on your DMs icon. Now here all you have to do is to hit on that icon, and here you can select recipients from suggested, and I'll select couple of persons like that. There you see that name of that persons appeared right here at the top, and now all you have to do is to hit on chat to create chat with that two persons. You can hit there and see that there is your account and two others account of another persons, and basically that's it. Now you know how to create group chat on Instagram, so don't forget to like and subscribe.